Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link on the Postmates app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite friends and family to use Postmates. How do you actually go ahead and find your referral link? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on your profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Invite Friends, get $10 off your order. Once you click on this, you can see that there's a promo code, or you can click on Share with Friends. So click on Share with Friends, then click on Copy, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral link on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.